Minister Jayantakumar assures that Mori Cultural Complex will be established soon. The minister was on two-day visit to the border town. Former BJP Manipur President Chawa says the coalition government must not try to please MLAs to save the government. High Court of Manipur summons 45 FPS agents of Lilong constituency after PIL was filed against non-distribution of NFSA rights. And 33rd Hazare and Dr. N. Tombi Polo Tournament kicks off. Police Sports Club C beat Eastern Sporting Club in the opening match 7-3. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayantakumar, who was on a two-day visit to the border town, has assured that Mori Cultural Complex will be established soon. During the two-day visit, the minister visited Mori Hospital, Primary Health Center, and the site for the proposed Mori Cultural Complex. He inspected the site for Mori Cultural Complex, which was proposed by the former government. The complex will have a guest house, a mini library, a mini museum, and an auditorium. The minister today visited Mori Hospital and Primary Health Center. He interacted with the staff of the hospital and assured them of the basic requirements. The X-ray machine, boils machine, which was in use in operation, were not functioning. Jayantakumar also visited the site for Food Safety Office at Mori. He stressed the need to test the quality of food items imported from Myanmar and China. Minister also saw the construction of barrack-type quarter at PHC complex near Mori Police Station.
Mori manungda quality henna functional oriba amasung akoigi ayush haijaba tare ayurvedic ki madugi treatment line of treatment pidba jaga ne atmase yam phajana mong tan torami but tawdadi hoi matang matungina chanaba makhal gi structure ma piba padu tangai fataba leire na haibado ko fail tawe but upgrade tawa haibatai de aduga iroina na siam nongai bamana segi same complex manak sire Mori gi segi koigi boundary da leiba makhli market international market se masidi mapalam di pusulaka daw makhal ki chana bachinjak masi poching se food safety madi department ni yengjilaba matungda madu seboire na harakanda akoi ki Manipur gi amasung India gi praja jing thajinba madu gi tamu sida ko office ma hangna ba gi ngasi ja ko lamsi yamak tawre habi are.
Assam Chief Minister Sarvananda Sonowal has assured Speaker Yumnam Khamchand that the Manipuri Development Council Assam will be revived. Sarvananda Sonowal met Y. Khamchand at the Chief Minister's Secretariat in Dispur, Assam yesterday. They discussed the political situation in the northeastern states during the meeting. Y. Khamchand also urged Sarvananda Sonowal to revive the Manipuri Development Council Assam to improve the socio-economic conditions of the Manipuri living in Assam. It may be recalled that 30 development councils were formed in 2011 for the development of different communities living in Assam. A one-day sensitization program on schemes initiated by the centre and the state government for farmers was held today at the community hall of Thobal Mela ground. Speaking at the event, Labour and Employment Minister T.H. Radhesiam said the farmers should take advantage of the schemes launched by the government. He also assured that the government will provide all possible assistance to the farmers. A one-day awareness workshop on IT Act, copyright and cybercrime was held at the auditorium of Manipur Technical University, Takil. Department of Computer Science and Engineering of Manipur Technical University organized a workshop to raise awareness on how to keep personal files safe and protected among the teachers and students of the university. Resource persons at the workshop demonstrated how to prevent computer and network security threats, mentally identity theft, credit card fraud, online banking phishing schemes, email hoaxes, hacking attack, and social engineering. Kausik Maiti from Center for Development of Advanced Computing, Kolkata, gave a PowerPoint presentation on cybersecurity and cyber forensic in the morning session, while Sapum Dilip of LMS Law College spoke on IT Act in the afternoon session, and DSP John spoke on the role of the Cybercrime Cell Division.
In terms of technicality, all general candidates are looking kana sigeze. Akoina sina ahan series ne haita so matung da su sigi series se continue to ganeba. Ngasigi pangthuk jaise in collaboration with CDEC Calcutta gani matung da so atopa institutes atopa professor mayam ga su khana nei naraga akoi makhata na series makhata na samta jarakhin.
Former President of BJP Manipur Pradesh and Union Minister Thongnaujam Chauba has stated that the coalition government led by BJP should not try to please the MLAs in order to save the government. Chauba was speaking at the seminar on legal perspectives of good governance organized by Law and Legal Affairs Vivak BJP Manipur Pradesh at BJP office Nitaipa today. He claimed that corruption in the state has decreased since the BJP came to power. However, there are problems of unavailability of rice and LPG cylinders in the far-flung areas of the state. The BJP leader said the works undertaken by the Chief Minister Birendra-led government are commendable. He maintained that it will be worthwhile if the people in the hills are provided PDS items on time. Chauba said the government needs to bring down the difference between the rich and the poor. Advocates C.H. Momont and Dr. C.H. Narendra spoke on the legal perspective of good governance and the rule of law and human liberty, respectively.
正朋嘅方嗰邊，正正其實冇朋友朋友嘅嘛。你做我們講嘅嗰個什麼啦 ，public discussion 我有嘅。做啲財嘅空嘅人睇都知啦，有個乜都good governance嘅呀。正正咯就係哪嘢？我哋係 with eyes。正朋友咧從到你，假朋友咧不要你，我哋咧可以試教。 나래가 바로 그만다 이 우리 짬이 수레 하여는 지를 받지는 비거리나 알고 있는 매를 방에 프라이 방에 손들 밀후니 주여 머리니 주여.
Pabong Iboyaima Memorial Trust today observed the first death anniversary of social worker T.H. Iboyaima at Nupilan Complex. Speaking to media, convener of Pabong Iboyaima Memorial Trust, P.H. Devan, said the observance is held to pay homage to the late father of social workers as he brought all issues of the state to the forefront. He also condemned the closed-door meeting between interlocutor R.N. Rabi and 6 different Naga organizations at Dimapur. Representatives of various CSOs and women organizations took part in the observance and offered floral tribute to him.
Sign Tonabada Kari Yauriga Habase, Miam Hanjan Lauba, Miam demand Torgazu Sipa, Kongokana lady. Masayam Live of Tibani, Maduna Maram Organda, Manipurging Kai Kaibayaba, Manipurgi Laminariba Kanglu for Mayam Chinja Kaina Bayaba, Adu Bahijan, Agenda Amata Yabayaro Habsi, Aham, strongly a Tamjaningi, Akogi Northeast Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Assam Punja Lagandaga, Council Lamatangani, and I quite the Taribu Wapumte.
The first death anniversary of the father of social workers, Thongnaujam Iboyaima, was also held at Educational Guide Center, Singzame. People offered floral tribute to the portrait of the social worker. A man was found under suspicious circumstances at his house at Thangmeiban Yumnam Laikai, Cherau, Jingkong. The deceased is identified as Hamom Binod, 26 years, son of late Hamom Kumar. He was found hanging from the roof of his house. His feet was touching the ground. A team of Lamphel police personnel and forensic experts visited the spot. Lamphel police has registered a case in connection with the death. Family sources said he was found hanging by his aunt around 3 in the afternoon. Binod got married in June this year and sold stones and sand on DM College Road. No one was at home when the incident took place. Five persons have been admitted to Moreh Hospital after their Maruti van met with an accident near New Moizang village, about 1 kilometer away from KLP checkpost of 11 Assam Rifles around 1:30 this afternoon. The injured persons are identified as Mohammed Saddam, 26 years, son of Mohammed Abdul Kalam from Moreh Wat number 8, Laistram Santos, 28 years, son of El Ibungo from Sekmaijing Mamang Laikai, W. Rakesh, 27 years, son of W. Jugin from Thangweban Kizam Dewan Laikai, El Thongamba, 25 years, son of Eld Inaucha from Tuwabagai Hiangklamd, and Kaisam Romeo, 28 years, from Janam Sandro. Kaisam Romeo has been brought to hospital in Imphal as he was critically injured. More police has picked up Maruti van bearing registration number SK0174784 and a case has been registered. Manipur Student Association Delhi in a press release said no organization other than student bodies cannot organize Tabal Chongba in Delhi. It's time for a small commercial break. Will be coming out. With the break is the summoned issue of 45 FPS agents of Lilong constituency following a public interest litigation filed against the non-distribution of PDS items under the National Food Security Act. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The High Court of Manipur has summoned 45 fair price shop agents of Lilong constituency following a public interest litigation PIL filed against non-distribution of PDS items under the National Food Security Act. The PLI was filed by Chief Advisor of National Food Security Act Development Coordinating Committee, Lilong Abdul Jabbar. The agents were summoned after 3 hearings on the PIL. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club, Abdul Jabbar said the PIL was filed so that the government provides PDS items to the beneficiaries under the National Food Security Act. He said a field study was carried out in Lilong constituency before the PIL was filed, and it was found that NFSA card holders of the constituency were distributed rice for just a month. He said according to the finding of the field study, which started in September 2016, PDS items were distributed only in November 2016. He stated that the PDS items for Lilong constituency have been drawn from the godown since NFSA was implemented in Manipur. Abdul Jabbar mentioned that National Food Security Act Development Coordinating Committee Lilong will also carry out field study in other constituencies. He also alleged that the problems of non-distribution of PDS items remain unsolved as Grievance Redressal Committee under NFSA does not function in the state.
Redressal officers chidadi leiraga kananu orimu haibasidi masak khangakta aduga state food commission sigi mathau si sungtau toramdaba supply officer sida ikon application lam thai RTI da cheng ko ta pi gharam sung pi delivery check taw matamda throughout the year left na cheng pi ki haibagi document si ikoida pange machine maram oiraga ikoina 15 days house to house salaga Aikoni awareness program si pangthoaga aikoni report loba matamda car holder singchina aikoi cheng phangde haibagi declaration si masa masai declaration si coordinating committee si to submit tawraba matungda aikoi gi wakat che si ga yauraga High Court of Manipur da PIL number 20 of 2017 se koina move tawrokani.
Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation distributed winter seeds to farmers at Farmers Training Hall of the department at Kongampa today. Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister Thaunaujam Shyamkumar appealed to farmers to develop the habit of preserving seeds after the harvest. Shyamkumar said the winter seeds are not distributed to all the farmers but only to a selected few as an initiative to cover 500 hectares of land under cultivation. He also stated that the department will take measures to distribute seeds to the farmers. The minister mentioned that the shortage of seeds can be solved if the farmers develop the habit of seed preservation with the help provided by department. The seeds of cabbages, eggplant, onion, tomato, watermelons and pea were distributed to farmers of 12 districts. Director and officials of Horticulture and Soil Conservation were present at the seed distribution.
Department agriculture rose horticulture marumrang people can have farmers matangi Thailand the Kogi cannot harvest over Koimakan keeping Tambasi Hanabish as Manipur later. She quite a good made this wages. And the Koi Pidi Maruman Krasna Labor, Kogi Farmamiamsina, Koi Moina Kroto was a Hoy P. Harris. Tanaka, your talk never, Matan Segi Maka Tana, the Pizatona, Matan Segi Tamdale. She never was a queen of Manipur problem days. Farmasi also come in Marubozo, Tarbuza Marubozo, Kaima Simborozo, some quite high with another Pambi credit. Akoi sa low na badin patna thambi lagadi akoi si problem su dai boy.
Frit Sabon Jiten has been elected unopposed as Adhiksha of Kakching District Jila Parishad today. 6 elected members of the Jila Parishad were sworn in today. DC Thobalt El Nabakishore administered the oath of office to them. Member of the Wanpalan Jila Parishad MD Nazimuddin was elected Upa Adhiksha unopposed. A one-day students' career promotion program was held at the open-air auditorium of Government Dance College today. 2 girls and 2 boys students performed solo dances and a group of 10 students performed a group dance at the second promotion program. Speaking on the occasion, the head of the office, Government Dance College, Dharmadas Sarma said the promotion programs was the first step towards molding the students to become successful professional dancers in the future. He said the event was organized to provide the students a platform to perform rather than sticking to their syllabus.
Course lorga thok ramadamda national level international level professional dancer mo oiraknabagi koina khitang moida makhong sombi bai tare prescribed syllabus ma gaksum toroga follow toroga tambasiga noida tarega suta smaine sum program noigi solo performance noida target toroga noigi career system nabuni ha kansen moina honabagi changse triple time 4 times hekta hengalaga moise ayuktagi numitang ho saba thabu khangdagai honabagi keno suma akoina uwa phange aduna dance taunagi platform suma piraga moigi potential moigi talent se identify tawraga stage ki akiba leitaba asada confidence thapaga mi atoba atoba mayam gi mapalgi adagi manungi orga suma yamsi thengnaruba ngamnabagi platform ma sagatpani.
Jalingrong Students' Union Manipur, JSUM, in a press release warned that the union will intensify its agitation if the government does not make arrangement to resume normal classes at Eklavya Model Residential School in Tamenglong headquarters from October 29. The school remained closed since October 18 due to non-sanctioned of recurring fund for repairing of the school. All India Students Federation Manipur State Council in a press release stated that President of the Federation Nongthombam Sanahal from Kongba Uchekon has been suspended from the post. Haridas Tongjam, son of Tongjam Krishna from Uripo Kuman Templaikai, donated food items to Mongsangai Makalaikai home on the 9th death anniversary of his mother Tongjam Asangbidi today. Liberal College NSS Unit 1 and Unit 2 organized blood donation campaign at the multipurpose hall of the college. A blood donation camp will be held at the college on November 8. The premiere of Iron Ball Productions' Manipuri feature film Inakta Lairingai with Impact TV as media partner was held this morning at MSFDS Hall Palace Compound. Director of Art and Culture, Dr. K. Shushila, Chairman of Film Forum Manipur, Mangol Chaud Sanset Sabam, filmmaker and cultural activist Ningthauja Lancha, and Vice President of Sign Actors Guild, Ningthauja Javidia, were among those present at the event. Kaiku Soma, Rahul Narmada, Reddy Devita are in the film produced by Lamba Mayum Premchand and directed by Monoranjan Klongcham.
Ningthauja Lancha khudingmak sanda koi chief guest
Ibhemal the phone torob hanga da bodusu like khaima ta
Himalaya moye madisida.
Now news from the world of sports. The 33rd N. Hazari and Dr. N. Tombi State Level Polo Tournament kick off today at Imphal Polo Ground. In the opening match of the tournament, Manipur Police Sports Club C beat Eastern Sporting Club Nongmeibung 7-3. Manipur Police Sports Club C's KH Dine scored 3 goals, I Kaba 2, S. Viking and S. Arun Kumar scored 1 each. Eastern Sporting Club Nongmeibung's A. Cameroon scored 2 goals while A. Lamyanba scored 1. 28 polo teams are taking part in the tournament. K and MM Riding School A will meet Kurai Polo Club B. Nambul Mapal Polo Club will meet Thangmeibant Youth Polo Club. Tenta Polo Club will meet Chingkai Hunba Polo Club A tomorrow.
Players ang laga state polo at pagkatalaran state polo tournament ni matanyog players ni pagka players ang laga international level we can festival and another Saladawadiva, Salamati, Sidada and the Bayat, Torabini and Katokiri, Takiri, Polo Hypermatana, the Bayadi, the city in the Tunasan, the Bayadi, Madi, Boni and the Bayadi, Hyperpatanga, Bayana.
Manipur have entered the quarterfinals at the Sub-Junior Girls National Football Championship. In the 8th leg match played today at Kodongpopi Sports Complex, Wangzing Manipur dropped Himachal Pradesh 91. For the winners, N. Priyanka netted 5 goals in the 23rd, 47th, 78th, 80th and 87th minute, while S. Linda Kom netted 4 goals in the 52nd, 77th, 82nd and 90th minutes of the match. The lone goal for Himachal Pradesh was netted by Riya Sharma in the 6th minutes of the match. Delhi beat Madhya Pradesh 2-0, Odisha dropped Rajasthan 10-0 and Chandigarh thrashed Uttar Pradesh 5-0 in the 9th, 10th and 11th leg matches. 21 teams from different states are taking part in the championship organized by All Manipur Football Association under the aegis of All India Football Federation. The second Asian Combat Games 2017 kicked off at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Guwahati. The Combat Games was organized by Martial Arts Association Asia and School Games Association India. Players from the Asian countries will compete in martial arts like Kung Fu, Taekwondo, Karate, Kickboxing, Jeet Kune Do, Judo. Tunisian Arumbamt S. Kennedy P. Manglemjao from Manipur have entered the semi-finals of Jeet Kune Do on the first day. India have won games 8 gold in kickboxing. Neroka FC presented gifts to the parents of the 8 Manipuri footballers who were in the Indian squad at FIFA Under-17 World Cup at its office at Sangapum Bazaar today. The club presented a Sony television set each to the parents of the 8 footballers and a refrigerator and a washing machine to parent of the first goal scorer of the Indian team at the international sports event Thongnawjam Jiksan. President of Neroka FC, Dr. Thangjam Dabli, Vice President Kaisham Rameshwar and donor Neroka FC, El Sarat were present at the event.
Under-17 World Cup sanabigiba Manipur player Nipan under-19 selection Madhuki the Vakta moved the parents in Bomka, congratulations, I say to the Atopa player Amagam Hapsan, the Manipuri player Nipan, the under 19 in the Mata, training Eva Hore, the Makatana, number 19 qualifying round, Sanabagi, stays like there, Amukazwana, the parents in Bomka, congratulations, I say to the Makatana. And my papa, my papa player boy,
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Minister Jayant Kumar assures that More Cultural Complex will be established soon. The minister was on a 2-day visit to the border town. Former BJP Manipur President Chawwa says the coalition government must not try to please MLAs to save the government. High Court of Manipur summons 45 FPS agents of Lilong constituency after PIL was filed against non-distribution of NFSA rice. And 33rd Hazari and Dr. Antombi Polo tournaments kicks off. Police Sports Club C beat Eastern Sporting Club in the opening match 7-3.